Coming across from this educational podcast, can you please tell me what is your favorite singer?
About my favorite singer, I really don't have a favorite singer. I have many favorite singers. Like I like the song of Ed Sheeran, then Sabrina Carpenter, and also Bangla artists.
In the
Like
case of Bangla artist, can you name any?
I like old songs, like from our districts, like Polligiti Bhatiali, and which actually like represents our districts.
Okay, so you are more into the folk culture, am I right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And what about you? Where is your hometown?
Well, my hometown is in Ishorde, which is situated in Pabna, and I am pretty lucky to be born there because I think that the culture and the environment there is actually pretty nice. Because apart from the urbanization that is currently being occurring there, the village life is a bit simple and peaceful. So these peaceful and natural things actually attracts me the most, and that's why I guess I'm a bit fond of my hometown rather than this in Dhaka.
Well, couldn't agree more with you. Whenever I get time, I always go to my hometown because it feels like a place of peace for me.
Of course.
And there is not much hustle and bustle there, so it feels really great. Now, what's your favorite movie?
Okay, it's a very tricky question because I actually watched a lot of movies, and picking the best from those is a bit tough for me. Okay, so I was thinking to go with any of the Japanese animated ones, but I guess I will choose any of the Fast and Furious sequels because, first of all, I'm a die-hard fan of their franchise, and I think that the movie starting from the initial point, for example, Fast and Furious 1, 2, and 3, from 1 to 5, those are pretty interesting, and after that, it turned a bit dim. So I guess for my favorites, I will go with Fast and Furious 2. But what about yours?
Well, mine one is, I guess, unknown to everyone. It's Harry Potter. I am diehard fan of that movies, like 8 movies of Harry Potter. I started watching them when I was 10 years old. It was already old that time because I was born when it was casted, so definitely can understand. I like the magical feeling and how they fight and how they cast a spell. I really like that. Now, are you suggesting me to watch your favorite movie?
Of course I do, because first of all, the genre of Fast and Furious is a bit included with cars. So if you are a car person, then I must suggest you that you should watch Fast and Furious. And for me, Harry Potter is surely an interesting movie. I have not I have not searched deeper into this franchise, but I have read some of the books of Harry Potter's actually, like Order of the Phoenix and the beginning sequels. So I think that in the case of Harry Potter, I have been interested in it since the last 5 years, but I guess I'm not more into those kinds of fiction stories. So yeah, I guess.
Well, but I guess you should join in our community, the Potterheads, because it's one of the biggest fandom in the world.
Of course.